Welcome to the Learning Box by Puntun Kids. I hope all my children are learning a lot from the sessions but enjoying them too. So, the last time we did addition sentences. So, come on, think and tell me, what do you think are we going to do today? Yes, you all know that we are going to do subtraction sentences. What are we going to do? Subtraction sentences. And what do we mean by subtraction? What do we mean by subtraction? Means take away. Means minus. When something becomes less. Yes? Or when we have something and someone takes some of it away. So what do we have to do? We have to subtract. That is minus. Yes? Remember, this is the minus sign. Yes? So in the subtraction, what we do is we first write the number that we have in all. Okay? And then we will minus the smaller number. That means what is being taken away. What has become less. Okay? Come on. So are we all ready with our books and pencils? Yes? Let's start. Okay. So we have Grandpa here. And you know what does Grandpa have? Grandpa has cupcakes. What does Grandpa have? Cupcakes. Do you all want to know how many cupcakes does Grandpa have? Come on, let's see how many cupcakes does he have. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many cupcakes does Grandpa have? 4 cupcakes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which number are we going to first write? We are first going to write number 4. Okay. And then look who's come. There's Sam. And Sam ate 2 cupcakes away. How many cupcakes did Sam eat? He ate 2 cupcakes away. See? He ate 2 cupcakes. So what should I do now from here? How many should I remove? Yes, y'all are right. We'll remove 2 because Sam has eaten 2. So how many cupcakes are left with Grandpa? How many cupcakes are left with Grandpa? Yes, you're absolutely right. There are 2 cupcakes left with Grandpa. Yes? And now let's put the signs. You'll all remember all the signs. So when it becomes less, what are we going to do? Are we going to put plus or are we going to put minus? Yes, you're right. We are going to put minus. So 4 minus 2. And before the answer, what do we do with sign? Yes, you're right. Equals to. So we'll put the equals to sign here. And now let's read. Come on. 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Come on, once more. 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Very good. Good job. And now are you ready for the next one? Yes? Good. So come on. Okay, get set for the next one. Put on your bunny's ears. Okay, so come on. Let's get set for the next one. Yes, everyone put on your bunny's ears so that you know which number to write first and which one to write the next. Okay, come on. So this is Martha. And Martha went to the shop and bought 8 sweets. How many sweets did Martha buy? 8 sweets. And while she was walking home, 3 sweets fell down in the gutter. How many sweets fell down? 3 sweets fell down. Yes? So she had 8 sweets and 3 fell down. So what are we going to do? Come on. What are we going to minus from what? How many did she have in all? Very good. Yes. She had 8 sweets. Yes? And how many fell down? 3 fell down. So it became less. So the sweets became less. Yeah. So when it becomes less, what are we going to do? Are we going to add Are we going to put the plus sign or are we going to subtract? Are we going to put the minus sign? What are we going to do when it becomes less? Very good. We have to put the minus sign. Yes. So let's put 8 sweets and let's see what the answer is going to be. What are we going to do? First we have 8 sweets because Martha had 8 sweets in all. Right. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes? And how many fell down in the gutter? 3. So what are we going to do? We have to remove 3. 1, 2 and 3. So how many are left with her? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so what are we going to put? 5. And everyone tell me, what is the sign that we put before the answer? Yes, you're right. We are going to put the equals to sign. And then we are all going to read it together. Come on, let's read it. 8 minus 3 equals to 5. Yes? Once more. 8 minus 3 equals to 5. Have you all written it in your books? Very good. Good job. So are we ready for the next number sentence? Yes. Which one are we doing? Subtraction sentences. Okay. So let's write. See, this is Vihan. And Vihan one day felt like eating lollipops. And do you know how many lollipops did he get? He got 7 lollipops. Can someone eat 7 lollipops at one time? No. But Vihan went to the shop and got how many lollipops? 7 lollipops. And when his mama saw him, she got angry. And she said, Vihan, you can't eat so many lollipops. So you know what she did? She took away 6 lollipops. What did she do? She took away 6 lollipops. So let's see. What are we going to do? Vihan had 7 lollipops and mom took away 6 lollipops. So which number are we first going to write? Who knows? Yes? How many lollipops did Vihan have in all? Good job! Yes, he had 7 lollipops. And how many did mom take away? How many did she take away? She took away 6 lollipops. See, she took away 6 lollipops. So when something we have to take away, when it becomes less, what are we going to do? Are we going to add? Are we going to do plus? Or are we going to subtract? Are we going to do minus? Yes, we are going to do minus. So let's put the minus sign. And let's make 7 lollipops. Come on. All of you all draw and I'm going to stick. Okay. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many lollipops did Vihan have? 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lollipops. And how many did mom take away? See, she took away 6 lollipops. She took away 6. So let's remove 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Mama took away 6. So how many lollipops was Vihan left with? How many lollipops? 1. Very good. So what are we going to do? We will put the equal to sign and we will write the answer 1. Yes? And then we are going to read it together. So come on, let's start. 7 minus 6 equals to 1. Let's read it again. Come on. 7 minus 6 equals to 1. Good job. And now one last one, like big children. Okay, we are not going to stick lollipops and we are going to write it. Right? Are we ready? Come on, get set. Come on, so put on your bunny's ears. Yes. And listen to the subtraction sentence properly. Okay? There were 9 birds on a branch. How many birds were there? 9 birds. And 5 birds flew away. Yes? 5 birds flew away. So which number should we write first? How many birds were there in all? Yes, there were 9 birds. So first we will write 9. And how many flew away? Come on, tell me. And how many flew away? Yes, 5 birds flew away. So the birds became less or they became more? Yeah, from 9, 5 flew away. So they became less or more? Yes, they became less. So what are we going to put here? Plus sign or minus sign? Yes, we are going to put the minus sign. And before the answer, we will put equals to. Now, how are we going to get the answer? Come on, let's draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, there were 9 birds. And how many flew away? 5. How many flew away? 5. So what are we going to do? We will take 5 away. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many birds were left? See, these many birds. Let's count how many were left. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many birds were left? 4. So what are we going to write here? 4. Yes, and now we shall read it. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Come on, once more. 9 minus 5 equals to 4. Very good. You all have done a brilliant job today. So what have you earned? You earned your smiley. Yes? Very nice. So I hope you all know your subtraction very well now and can also do subtraction sentences. Yes? So please do like, share and subscribe. See you soon. Bye. Take care.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें